So today, ladies and gentlemen, we are unboxing the Corsair gaming mouse Harpoon RGB, and it's wireless. As you can see, this is a certified refurbished box. The local UK reseller had certified refurbished stock, and I basically thought I couldn't turn this down for £35. So let's get ahead and unbox it. Okay, so now that I opened the box, let's have a look. So obviously we're not expecting a lot of nice packaging. Simple bubble wrap, the charging cable, which is a mini USB, not a micro. Sorry, it's a micro, sorry, and it's not a Type C, which I expected because, like I said, this is a refurb. But it looks like a brand new cable. That's interesting. Usual safety and compliance, and possibly warranty information, environmentally friendly information. Yeah, it's just environmentally friendly stuff. So let's move that to one side. Okay. So here we got the mouse. Oh, okay. This is the first time I'm holding it. It's light. It's definitely light. I know there's loads of videos online, but I just wanted to see what a refurb mouse would look like. And to be honest, if you're looking at it, it looks utterly brand new. Literally brand new. There's no wear on the pads. It's in the off position. It hasn't been like left on either or the on positions, which obviously would be bad for the battery anyway. RFB and refurb, I'm assuming. And then let's just make sure the dongle's actually in there, because that would be a bit unfortunate. We got the dongle. Awesome. Cool. So let me just reconnect the bottom of it, and then we'll do a comparison with my what's my other one called? I have no idea what my other one's called. Well, I'll put the name of the other one in the video, and we'll compare the two. Okay, I can compare the two now. This is the Sabre RGB wired mouse, and then this is, as I said, the Harpoon. Yeah, hasn't changed since I opened the box a second ago. Anyway, I haven't plugged it in, I haven't tried powering it on or anything. As you can see, aesthetically, they're very similar. There's less of this sticky out bit to rest your thumb on this one. Weight wise, obviously I know there's a cable on it, but this one is significantly heavier, mainly on the back end. This one is quite even in terms of weight distribution. This texture pattern on here is quite nice actually. I don't have that on this one. Obviously this one's had a bit of wear over the years. It's interesting to see what the wear has been like. I normally do use a mouse mat. It's only that the last couple of days I've been in the conservatory using this desk. But yeah, scroll wheel is very similar, very similar. This one's a little bit less resistant compared to the Sabre. And the clicks are a little bit more premium on the Sabre as well, which you'd expect from a slightly more expensive mouse. Obviously I'm missing the toggle by here, which changes the DPI on the mouse. I think they're both 10,000 DPI. But obviously they replaced that one with this one, so this is the profile to switch the DPI for single buttons, which just scrolls through, or obviously on this one you can go forward and back. There's two side mouse buttons, so for your melee or for your reload, or both. And then yeah, this one I just used for the profile, for the RGB on this one. Or actually sometimes in some games I use that as a melee, so it does both. I don't know. Anyway, I think quite nice. The cable to plug in and charge is by there. Oops, second. Can't get it to focus. So it's by there. So you can actually use it as if it was a wired mouse anyway, which is quite nice. So yeah, let's get the dongle in and see how it goes. Okay, so something to note about this mouse is using the Slipstream dongle. That's what Corsair are calling it. It's 2.4 gigahertz, just like everything else is generally these days. The RGB on it is not as bright as the Sabre. However, it's pretty good. I'm in a conservatory, so it's quite a bit lighter, but you can still see it. I'm quite happy with that. That's not a problem. I've already cycled through a couple of the DPI settings, and I must say it's very similar feeling to my other one. So you've got obviously low, same little circles, it's a lot better. And it just gets absolutely nuts if you're into that kind of thing. But yes, so these DPIs default specified 5000 is max. Excuse a little slight bit of dust. Is there a sniper mode? Yes, there is a sniper mode. However, you can't enable it via the button. That's interesting. We'll have to look into that. I'll have a look at some color profiles and everything else for the RGB. It should pick them up from my other PC when I plug them in, because I've got a couple set up for different applications. Honestly, I like it. It's nice. It's a nice little mouse. I can't fault it for, I think it was £32 I paid for it. I know it's a refurb. Some people don't like the fact it's refurb, but it comes with a year warranty, and for that price, I'm happy for a mouse to last a year. I'm sure this will last me probably more than that, probably about 4 or 5, I would have thought. Yeah, it's not really much else to say about the mouse other than, yeah. It's intended for my laptop. The other one is intended for my PC. Obviously, that makes more sense. Also, this has Bluetooth, so I might actually try the Bluetooth setting, because that, excuse that, but the latency, I know with this is not a scientific test, but I would probably use it on the green profile. There is a little bit of latency versus the wired one. I can feel that. It's very minor. Mainly not when I'm putting input in at the beginning. It's normally when I let go I can notice it. Yeah, so yeah, let's give it a couple of weeks and see how I get on with it, and I'll see what the battery life is like as well. Actually, before we go, is there anything in iCue to say what the battery level is on this? Performance? Nope. Enhanced point precision is enabled. That should be off. That's better. Ah, see, doing this in real time. Yeah, it's a lot less. It's a lot less of that after effect in the mouse now, because I normally turn the that setting off for my other mouse. Dashboard is just going to show me nothing. Okay, that's great. That's great. There doesn't seem to be a way of looking at the battery level. Oh, we got dongle firmware. Oh no, battery level's high. There we go. So once again, poor camera work, but to be honest, it's a quick one. Sleep mode. These are quite cool settings. Bottom response optimization. Sure. USB wireless receiver pairing. Cool. Performance mode or power saving. What does power saving do? Okay, so power saving just turns the RGB off. It doesn't turn this light off up here. However, I think it has dimmed it. Let's have a look. Keep an eye on that. Click button. And yeah, it dims it. Turns the RGB back on. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty decent. We do have a firmware update. Nope. Cool, that's fine. No worries. And we've got 1 millisecond polling. Assuming status, that's signal possibly? I don't know why it would be anything. System taskbar, that's quite cool as well. Yeah, so that concludes the video. Initial thoughts are, it's really cool. I have no qualms about it at all. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you later. Bye.